Field
and Burndon in the morning. Bonk. Happy Crazy Hat Day. Happy Hair Day.
Crazy hat day. I feel like my hat's a little crazy, but I think I could go crazier. I heard that you know how to make hats. Can you help me learn how to make a hat?
Absolutely. I love hats. So, what you need to make this hat
Okay, let's make sure your audience can really see it, teacher.
is a section of the newspaper. You want to make sure that you have a piece that opens up to its full size, and you're going to keep it folded in half.
Okay, so I have the big piece, and then I make sure that it stays folded. Both sides. I think I got it.
Perfect. You got it. The next thing you want to do is find the crease. So make it so the crease is on top. That means that it should open up like a flip book. But the crease should be on top. Let's see, Ms. Field.
Okay, so I have the paper, and then the crease is on top because I can open it from the bottom. I got it.
You got it. Next, you're going to fold down from the top 2 top corners. So you're going to fold it first like this, and then fold down the other corner. They should be on the same side.
Okay, just checking. So here I have the paper thing on the bottom, and then I crease down to the middle, and then I crease down to the middle. So now I have math teacher in me, and isosceles triangle. 2 sides are the same, one is different.
I have an isosceles triangle too.
What?
Perfect. All right. The next step is on the bottom. You should be able to open it up a little bit. This is a little bit tricky, a little bit messy, but you are going to fold up from the bottom a small section of paper. So it looks like this. Let's see what you got, Ms. Field.
Okay, so I have the thing like this, and now I'm going to fold up the bottom like so. Oh, I'm like ripping the paper. That's a little crazy.
Okay.
So one side is now shorter than the other side, right?
Perfect.
Okay.
And you're going to do the same thing to the other side. So you can turn it over and fold up the other side. So at this point, if you were making a paper boat, you'd be just about done. I think for a human head, this is maybe a little bit too big. So next, you want to take the corners and roll it a little bit.
Okay.
It can be messy. Don't worry.
I just want to check here. That. So I have 2 sides are now both folded up. Now I roll?
Yes.
Okay, now I roll it up from the corner. All right, what's next, Miss Burndon?
All right, then you're pretty much done. You want to open it up? Should be hat-shaped. And you stick it on your head. You can do it this way, Peter Pan style, or you can do the tri-corner hat style. How's it going, Miss Field?
If I let go, it's falling off.
But that is
may have done it
one
wrong.
beautiful hat. And this has been
Field and Burndon in the morning.